Hey there, savvy spenders. Welcome back to the channel where we break down practical tips to manage your finances like a pro. Today's video is all about how to track American Express spending. If you're an Amex cardholder, you know how easy it is to rack up rewards, but keeping tabs on your expenses is key to staying in control. Whether you're budgeting for a big trip or just want to avoid surprise bills, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first. Start by logging into your American Express account. Head over to the Amex website or download the mobile app. It's free and super user-friendly. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of your recent transactions, current balance, and any pending charges. This is your command center for all things spending. Next, take a closer look at the Transactions tab. Here, you can filter by date, category, or even merchant. For example, if you're curious about how much you're dropping on dining out, just select that category and bam, detailed breakdowns appear. American Express makes it easy to spot trends, like if your coffee runs are adding up faster than you thought. Don't stop there. Set up personalized alerts to stay proactive. In the app settings, you can enable notifications for things like when you hit a certain spending limit or when a transaction posts. This is a game changer for avoiding overspending. Pro tip. Link your Amex account to budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB for even deeper insights, combining your credit card data with bank accounts for a full financial picture. One more handy feature. Use the Amex tools for monthly statements and reports. Download them as PDFs or view them online to track your spending over time. This helps with tax prep or just reviewing your habits. Alright, folks, that's the lowdown on tracking your American Express spending. By following these steps, you'll be more informed and in charge of your money. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.